The city never sleeps. Cars hiss through the wet streets. Lights shine on faces full of hurry. But James was not moving at all. He stood on a bridge, staring down at the dark river below, his backpack tightly in hand. He was late. Again, late for work, late in life, late in everything that was supposed to make him someone. 2 months earlier, he had lost his job. The company cut staff. He was not the first. He was not the last. But it felt personal. He walked out with a small box of things and a big question in his mind. What now? Bills grew. Rent came fast. Savings died slowly. His father called once. "Son, do you have a plan?" James sighed. "I'm working on it." But he was not. He searched online for jobs. No reply. He walked into stores. No vacancy. Some managers barely looked at him. Morning became afternoon. Afternoon became night. Time became his enemy. His chest felt tight all the time. At night, he stared at the ceiling, whispering, "I am falling behind." Everyone in the city seemed to be winning. Everyone seemed to be moving, except him. He expected life to slow down and wait for him. But life did not wait. People passed him in the hallway of his apartment building. Some said hello. Some looked away. He wondered what they thought. He wondered if anyone else was stuck like him. One rainy morning, he checked his bank balance. The number made his fingers shake. He threw the phone on the bed. He wanted to scream, but no sound came out. He walked outside. The rain hit his face like small stones, cold, sudden, real. "This cannot continue," he whispered. But nothing changed. Weeks later, he found himself on that bridge. Traffic roared below. Rainwater moved like silver threads. The city glowed, but inside him, the light was gone. His mind attacked him. "You failed. You are late. You are nothing." He gripped the rail. He closed his eyes. He let the thoughts play like a cruel movie. Then something strange happened. A small sound behind him. A voice. A child's voice. "Are you okay, mister?" James opened his eyes. A boy in a yellow raincoat stood there, holding a red balloon. The balloon bounced in the wind, bright against the gray day. I'm fine," James said. The boy tilted his head. "You look sad." James smiled weakly. "Maybe a little." The boy nodded. "Mom says everyone gets sad. But she also says sadness is not forever." The boy waited for a second and then added, "She says forever is too big for one moment." Those words hit him harder than all the rain. Forever is too big for one moment. The boy's mother called from a distance. "Come on." The boy waved. "Good luck, mister." The balloon lifted. The boy ran. James stood still, breathing. His heart slowed. The river below no longer looked like an enemy. It was just water. He whispered to himself, "This moment is not forever. I still have something I can do." That was the decision. Small, simple, but different. The next morning, he woke up early. Not to find the perfect job, not to fix everything in one day, but to try again. He sent 5 applications. He got 1 interview. He bought cheap coffee from the corner shop. It tasted terrible, but it tasted like progress. During the interview, he spoke honestly. The manager listened. No fancy words, no perfect story, just real life. 3 days later, his phone rang. "James, we'd like to hire you. It's entry level, but we see potential." Entry level, small step, tiny win. But his chest felt light for the first time in months. He walked to work on his first day with music in his ears and hope in his mind. Not the big kind of hope, the quiet kind, the stable kind. Weeks passed. Work was hard. He made mistakes. He felt slow. But he kept showing up. He kept reminding himself, one decision, one day, one action, not forever. Slowly his life opened, not fast like fireworks, but steady like sunrise. He called his father. "Dad, I'm working again." His father's voice cracked. "Good job, son. Just keep moving." One decision does not fix everything, but one decision can change direction. And when direction changes, life slowly shifts with it. What seems small today can become powerful tomorrow. The road ahead may still be long, but it is no longer the same road. Momentum begins with a single choice, and momentum creates possibility. That is how progress starts. Quiet, slow, but real. If this story moved you, do not wait for a perfect moment. Make one small decision today. Act while you are still afraid. Act while life is still messy, because forever is too big for one moment. Like and share this story with someone who might need it. Subscribe to Temi Tales in English for more easy-to-understand stories that help you practice English naturally. Learn new vocabulary, improve listening skills, and explore powerful life lessons through short cinematic stories that stay with you long after watching.